Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a circuit with 7 segment display. So this is the 7 segment display you can see here. This is 7 segment display on Elektra board. So with the help of 7 segment display we can display some numbers from 0 to number 8 or 9. So you can see here there is a mark of number 8. So these are the pins, like you can see the alphabets here: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and these are the negative terminals. We have to connect with the negative power supply. So now we are going to start connections with the jumper wires, and after that we have to power up this Elektra board and connect and see the changes. So first of all you have to this is the, you can see here is a ground sign. So we have to, ground means negative supply, so we have to connect with this ground with negative power supply of this Elektra board. You can see negative power supply, we have to connect with the this ground terminal of this 7 segment display. So first of all we have to connect the wires and display number 1. So take another jumper wire. So how can we know the numbers? So you can see here, so like we have to start from alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if you want to display number 1, so which alphabet required? So A, B, C, D, E, F. E and F we have to connect, then we'll get display number 1. So we have to connect with number alphabet E pin with the positive supply. Sorry, wrong. So you have to take the male to male jumper cable, both side pins. So you have to connect E with positive supply. You can see here this jumper cable, this yellow color jumper cable, we have to connect with the positive supply with alphabet E. Now this is alphabet F. You can see here the alphabet F, we have to connect with the positive supply, F with positive supply, and connect with the power C with the help of C-type cable, and turn on this Elektra board, and you can see the number 1. Yes, number 1. So like this you can connect the alphabets accordingly, and you have to display number from 0 to 9. Thank you so much.